So on our way to Mount Rushmore the other day, we were supposed to be on this road. And when we stopped at Custer State Park, the park ranger working there showed us this gigantic interactive map. And this is called Iron Mountain Road. And it's supposed to be really cool, really scenic. You go through some tunnels. A dually can make it through this. There is another part on this Needles Highway that we're pushing it. We might have an inch on each side. I don't think we're going to even attempt that. But yeah, we finally found this road when we got lost the other day and had to take a different way. So far, this Iron Mountain Road is worth it. It's definitely a payoff. It's really windy and slow. We're taking our time. Type of evergreen. That's all I know. This is beautiful. It is? Oh, so that's Mount Rushmore straight across. We thought, but weren't sure.
Smaller than what I assumed it would have been. Like from over here,
yeah.
I would have thought like you could see the face really, really good, and then I put the binoculars on, and it's like in that rock.
Yeah.
I thought it was the whole rock.
Holy cow, that's what they're talking about.
Amazing, like indescribable, and pictures will not do it justice at all.
Look how high we are. Holy cow.
It is for sure something that you should take the time to see.
Little known fact to us, we are in the Black Hills Forest. Is it National Forest? Is it?
I have no idea.
I just read it too. Awesome.
Oh, see one face. See one face peeking out.
What is out there?
Mountain Rushmore.
Are you sure?
Yeah. A beaver cut this.
A beaver cut it? Probably not.
Oh, who cut it?
Probably a
squirrel?
park ranger.
What?
Probably the park ranger.
Don't you have some? Oh, it's diesel though.
We have some gas.
You want gas?
Is it regular gasoline? Yeah?
Not diesel, right? Regular?
Yeah, let's pull up the So there was an RV there and they were having trouble. It turns out they were just out of gas. Luckily Sarah realized, I wasn't even thinking, but we have a gas can in the back for our generator and I just filled it the other day. So we gave them gas. Oh man, look at this one.
That's like almost better than Disney on Splash Mountain.
Oh, yeah.
Coming over, it was sunset, and at the top of the mountain, we could see the castle lit up. It was so
like silhouettes
pretty.
The castle. Splash Mountain.
This, I think, might
it.
trump it.
A
That
trumpet.
was so cool.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. And that was better than the first tunnel that framed it.
I know like all of this kind of changes if the weather's not good. So right now we're here in June, the end of June. Everything is green, it's pretty, it's warm out so you can keep the windows down. But, oh man, coming through that tunnel, each tunnel, if you're going the right direction, frames Mount Rushmore, right?
Yeah, you want to be going
towards Mount Rushmore.
Yeah. That's where we were.
I'm sort of the kind of person that if I see something in a magazine or in a history book, it's kind of like, I don't have to see it. It's probably fine to not see it. And this was one of those times for sure. I felt like, Mount Rushmore, I'm sure it's cool, but I don't have to see it. If you're like that, I strongly encourage you to come see it because it's really cool.
Sarah, since you're driving through this, are you glad we have a dually or do you wish we had a compact car? Well, you almost just drove us off that cliff, so. We are fly by the seat of your pants type of people. All I had planned was coming up here, and then once we got to this, we'd figure out our next move. I think we should go to Rapid City, do the dinosaur thing. When we were here the other day, we didn't even know about this. This is a pull-off where you can get this profile view. Sarah are doing a wine tasting, and Reagan's having a fruit salad, and Ezra's having a hot dog. We just left the Firehouse Winery and Brewery in Hill City, I believe, and now we're headed to Rapid City to the dinosaur park. Are you excited to be here?
Yeah. I like dinosaurs. But there are no unicorns here, right, Mommy?
I think it's just dinosaurs.
Yeah, because it's just dinosaurs here. You see
Do you have
them?
sunglasses with you?
Look at that! Dinosaurs! See that? Those plates peeking up?
Oh, a stegosaurus, yeah.
We see a stegosaurus, Mommy!
For sure. On this mountain, and we just realized this is a very you ruined it. We're up on this mountain and we're looking off into the woods, and we realize this is a very squatchy area. Uh-oh. All right, we're just leaving the Firehouse Winery and Brewery, And now we're headed to the dinosaur park in Park City. Not Park City. In Rapid City. Alright, we just left Rapid. Oh, goodness.
There's a coffee Kevin. That's what we wanted to do.
We did.
Like a tiny
We're coffee
house.
people. We're coffee connoisseurs. We were this close to opening our own
Check
coffee
out
shop.
my Instagram.
Check out our Instagram. Check out our blog.
It's really ours.
Our blog.
I call it mine because I do it all.
She writes it.
Put on all the effort and the time.
I'm the face of it. www.bluestravelers.com/Dustin is the face of it /cool/awesome.